everyone, this is Amy from Sublimation. In this video, we will show you a kind of sublimation acrylic lantern and let you know the steps on how to make a personalized acrylic lantern. The lantern, like an extremely vivid dancing flame, will be attractive decorative lantern for outdoor and indoor, suitable for tabletop, shelf, wall, desk, and porch, and so on. As you can see here, the lantern consists of 5 acrylic boards and 1 electronic candle and a metal chain. The acrylic boards are single-sided printing. And next, let me show you how to make a personalized acrylic lanterns. First, print out your design on sublimation paper. Note mirror printing required. Then, tear off the plastic protective film on the acrylic board. The double-sided have protective film, so before the sublimation, have to tear off the protective film. And then use heat transfer tape to attach the sublimation paper to the acrylic board. The white side is for sublimation. Make sure it goes gently where you want. Stick it firmly enough so it doesn't slide when pressed. And warm the heat press machine to 190 degrees Celsius and the time set 80 to 100 seconds. And wait. Take the acrylic board out and flatten the acrylic board while it is still hot, because the acrylic material will become soft in high temperature, and the flattening can maintain a good effect. Then get cooled down. Finally, move the sublimation paper away. The sublimation effect is very clear and very beautiful. Then install the acrylic lantern.